this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Hedera, ticker symbol HBAR, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into Wealthsimple, go into your crypto account. Then once you're there, go to the bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass or the bottom left area. Then on this screen, scroll down a little bit until you come across trending categories and press on crypto. Then on this screen, we just want to scroll down until we come across HBAR or Hedera. So for me, it is actually right here, HBAR, Hedera, press on that right there. Then to buy it, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Then on this screen, type in the amount of money you wish to invest into HBAR. So for me, I'll just do $1 for this example, press on continue. Then to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and that's how you guys can buy Hedera, ticker symbol HBAR, in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.